What's going on, guys? We're going to do a video on cutting a key. Alright, first we're going to do a mailbox key. So you want to put the key in here and tighten it down, and then you want to grab the fence, bring it down, and you want it right there, just at the edge there. So then you want to take your key, your blank key that you're going to cut from, stick it on the other side, make sure it lines up with that one, tighten it down, and flip the fence back, bring this back, turn your power switch on, and make sure you're wearing glasses because you don't want pieces of brass flying in your eyes. So we will turn on the machine, tilt this up. Got the key cut, come over here to the wheel. You want to clean any pieces of brass on the edges there so it's like deburred. Alright, that's a mailbox key. Okay, now we'll cut a house key. So, grab the key we want to cut from, which is right here. Set it in until it stops. Lock it down. Bring the fence down. And we want to adjust it so it's right at the edge. Grab our blank. Put it over here till it stops. Tighten it down. Flip up the fence. Got your glasses on. Hit the power. Start from the back. Okay. Throw the key out. Come over here and deburr. And go try them out, see if they work. And that's cutting a house key and a mailbox key.